Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I wonder if I ever became disabled, if I would still be able to make fire. This is a Yucca spindle. You saw me harvest this out of a neighborhood off of a sidewalk in front of somebody's house. I passed by it for 2 weeks straight looking at it, wondering if they was going to clean it up or what was going to happen to it, and I finally just stopped and got it, and it never misses. This has been a great Yucca spindle. This is a pine fireboard and pine needles. Let's try it again now that I had a little rest. Yeah, it'd be easier in front of me right here, but I want to try it from the side. Although I'm wrecking my back doing this. Good. Let's make it go to flames now. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.